Everybody at the court is.
Well, I just know you guys are fixing to do your thing to help get him and keep him out of my hair and my woman's hair.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully everybody else's too.
I know that our felony prosecutor, Phil Hall, is definitely interested in the case going on, and would definitely like to have a conversation with you about the assault at some point. So, have you already spoken to our victims coordinator, Connie?
No.
Okay, then after today's hearing is over and all that good stuff, I'm going to shoot the ladies at the crisis center Connie's email address, and I'm going to ask them to give you the general number for the DA's office, and go ahead and call our office, specifically ask for Connie. There's only one Connie at our office. They'll know who to send you to, and she will get you in touch with Phil.
Okay. Why did we see one person, not the other three?
Okay, so one is I believe the judge, the other is that guy. I don't know who, that's the person that writes everything down, the bailiff, I believe, pretty much.
Yeah.
And then
Jennifer
the
is
other
the court
three.
coordinator. Haley is the court reporter. I mean,
He says, I'm me. I like that. I'm going to have to use that. I'm me. I like that a lot. I'm going to have to keep that one in mind. Who are you? I am me.
We haven't had enough sleep.
No, y'all were
Can
fine.
you tell?
He gets goofy, I just get warm.
morning, Haley.
Good morning. How are y'all?
Doing all
Doing
right.
good. How are you?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
That's good.
Morning,
I'm glad to
Jennifer.
hear it. You see, everybody in this office and everybody on that screen, everybody's dressed up nicely.
Oh, y'all are fine.
It's a special occasion. I'm gonna hit my vodka. And so here's a little joke to lighten up the mood. If I fart in my wallet, doesn't mean I have gas money.
Oh my
Okay.
I'm tired. I am very tired.
Mark, the exhibits that you sent, was that for this hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll forward them to the judge so he has them.
Thank you.
I'm trying. I'm trying to get rid of all the anger I have built up.
But that's for,
I know.
this is just,
I'm just trying to lighten the mood.
right now, I'm just trying to stay away. We should stop for coffee.
Halftime.
Mm.
No matter what I do, I've washed my hands 100 times already. Stained, stained, stained.
Yeah.
This is all stained.
Yeah, your skin can just think.
No, stained like you put on wood.
Yeah.
That's what all this is. It's all stained. So I have to figure out what to use to get it off my hands.
Maybe you should say you can clap.
They get in my way. But yeah, I just gotta figure out what to use to get it off. I used that Google.
Google.
Yeah. stuff.
They only get
It
sticky
didn't
stuff.
work.
They only get sticky stuff.
No, it's used for a lot of other different stuff too. But, yeah, that goof on.
So does it start when,
The judge.
judge,
That's
Shows
good.
up. Now, when the judge shows up, do we all have to rise?
No.
No.
No, it's fine.
that didn't cross my mind.
I've been to court too many times. I know the system.
Sorry. I'm so sleepy. I get up at 10 and then I get home and then I have neuropathy in my feet. So usually I'm sleeping right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I don't usually get up in the morning. Even on my days off, I don't get up.
Are you on your feet at work a lot?
I used to be.
Mhm.
I'm not on my feet as much as I used to be, but my neuropathy's gotten really severe.
Mhm.
And my doctor just upped my gabapentin and it's not doing it. It like takes the edge off, but sometimes that's not enough to go to sleep.
Yeah.
It's enough to get by through the day, but it's not
For you to relax.
relax enough.
Mhm.
Like I can be tired as I'll get out and then be wide awake because I just sit there in pain.
Have you tried soaking them in, what is it? Is it
Evansville?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good now and then. But I can't do it all the time because I have high blood pressure.
Mhm.
And the salt's not good for me.
Mhm.
I've tried just about everything under the sun or over the counter.
Mhm.
You know, tried the menthol and I've tried the lidocaine. I've tried some of the other products that are similar.
I'm gonna mute everybody until the judge comes out, okay? Okay, we're about to bring the judge in.
Good morning. This is the Bastrop County Court at Law, May 18th, 2021. The court calls cause number 2120698 for the protection of Abbassi. Mr. Dalbe, would you like to begin?
Yes, Your Honor. Mark Dalbert, Bastrop County DA's office, here for the protection of Miss Abbassi. Before we begin, Your Honor, the state would like to ask that the court take judicial notice of the affidavit and all other forms already filed in this case.
Mr. Dalbe, I can't make out what you were saying. Is that me or is that yours?
It was working fine earlier. Haley, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can. Just give me a second.
She must be the tech whiz.
Mhm.
You look so young.
I'll be 25 in September. Yeah.
Oh, you're
figured.
still a baby.
Okay, I think we have it fixed. Mr. Dalbe, would you like to begin again?
Okay. Mark Dalbert, State of Texas, here for the protection of Miss Abbassi. To begin with, the state would like to ask the court to take judicial notice of the affidavit and all other documents already filed in this case.
I will.
Thank you, Your Honor. In that case, state would like to begin by calling Miss Violet Abbassi to the stand.
Okay. Would you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear the testimony you give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So help me God.
Okay, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Please state your name and age for the record.
Violet Abbassi. I'm 39.
And we're here for a protective order against Mr. Sean Abbassi, correct?
Yes,
And who is Mr. Abbassi to you?
he's my brother, my half brother.
All right. And in this protective order, is it just for you, or are you asking for for any family members to be protected?
I'm asking also for Alex Rivera. He's sitting next to me. Also for him, he lives in my household, and I feel that if he was to be let go, that he might try to harm him as well.
Okay. Ms. Abbassi, we filed an affidavit that you signed with the protective order application. Do you remember that?
Yes,
Is everything in that affidavit true and correct?
yes.
Okay. Before this hearing, I sent over a PDF called Abbassi PO States Evidence 1. Have you seen this PDF before?
I've just seen it today, like a few
But
minutes
you
ago.
have seen it.
Yes, I have seen the pictures.
Okay. So what is contained in this PDF?
I'm in there, and where I was stabbed shows my wounds
Okay.
that day.
And are these pictures a true and accurate representation of what you looked like on that day?
Yes,
Okay. Your Honor, at this point, the state would like to admit state's evidence 1 that has been sent to the court ahead of time.
It's admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay. Ms. Abbassi, Do you believe this protective order is necessary to protect your safety and the safety of the members of your household?
Yes, because he learns from his mistakes, and I believe, well, he learns from some of his mistakes. Let me phrase that. And he usually doesn't make the same mistake twice when it comes to doing something something like this.
And are you afraid of him? Or are you still afraid of him?
Yes, I am.
Let's see. And I don't remember, forgive me if I already asked, you believe that this protective order is necessary to protect your safety and that of the members of your household, correct?
Yes.
Okay. In that case, no further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
Mr. Dalby, do we have a return of service?
Service? Yes, Your Honor. For me, Odyssey is showing that Mr. Abbassi was served 5/11/21.
I may not see it in the right spot. I see notice. Okay, yes, my computer does show he was served on May 11th, 2001.
Yes, he's in our jail.
Right. Has he given, he hasn't to what I'm aware of, but has he given you, or are you aware of anything where he has made any kind of request to meaningfully participate in this hearing?
Not to my knowledge, Your Honor.
All right, anything further?
Your Honor, the only other thing that we have no further witnesses, but the state would ask that based on Family Code Section 85.025A1, that the protective order in this case be for 10 years as opposed to 2 years, because it is the state's position that the respondent has committed an act constituting a felony offense involving family violence against the applicant. And the code says the court can order this regardless of whether the person has been charged with or convicted of the offense. And it is the state's position that he has caused serious bodily injury to the applicant in this case.
That is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. In that case, the state has nothing further.
Okay, the court will grant the protective order and the request for that it be for 10 years.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. This will end our hearing and everyone is excused. Good luck, ma'am.